One sunny morning, Arshia and Aaron found a little surprise.
Arshia, look! What is it? What is it?
The little puppy looked frightened and completely lost.
Hello, little puppy. Don't be afraid. I think he likes us. But where is his family?
Someone must be looking for this little puppy.
His name is Max. Don't worry, Max. Let's help him find his home.
Their adventure had just begun.
Maybe Max remembers the way. Sometimes our nose can help us find the right way.
Hello, children. Is everything okay?
We found this lost puppy.
I'm sorry, I haven't seen him before.
It's okay. We'll keep looking.
They didn't give up.
Max, where are you? Did you hear that? I think someone is calling him.
Hope was getting closer.
Max! I found you! Thank you so much. We're happy Max is safe. Take good care of him. Kindness always finds
Finds its way home.
Thank you for helping Max. We're happy he's safe. He belongs with his family. I'll never let him get lost again.
Helping others always brings happiness.
These are for you. Thank you very much. You're so kind.
Kindness is the greatest gift we can share.
Today was amazing. Yes, we helped someone.
Learning new words is easy through stories.
See you again, Max. Take care.
Today's lesson: always help others whenever you can.